Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're looking at a product that promises to deliver salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. It's the 1600W Ionic Hair Dryer with LED Display and Magnetic Nozzle, designed for those who want fast, effective drying without compromising the health of their hair. This professional-grade blow dryer features a powerful 1600-watt brushless motor that produces a strong airflow of up to 20 meters per second. The motor is designed to dry hair quickly while minimizing heat damage. Now, if you've been using hair dryers that leave your strands frizzy or lackluster, this one may be a game changer. Let's talk about the real magic behind this dryer, its advanced ionic technology. It releases 200 million negative ions per cubic centimeter, which helps eliminate static and smooths the hair cuticle. This means no more frizz, just silky, shiny, and fuller hair. Perfect for a polished, voluminous look without needing to use extra serums or sprays. The dryer offers a range of customizable settings. With 3 air speeds and 4 temperature options, you can choose the perfect combination to suit your hair type and styling needs. Whether you're working with short, curly hair or long, thick locks, the flexibility in settings ensures you have complete control over your drying experience. The patented thermostatic chip adjusts the temperature 100 times per second, keeping it at a safe, consistent level to prevent overheating and excessive damage. When it comes to styling precision, the magnetic concentrator is a standout feature. It allows you to easily attach and detach the nozzle for more directed airflow, which is ideal for precision styling, whether you're aiming for a sleek look or adding volume to your roots. One of the standout features here is the design. This dryer comes with an LED display that shows your current speed and temperature settings. It's a small touch, but it adds a level of ease and clarity that I really appreciate. Additionally, it boasts a self-cleaning function that helps keep the dryer in optimal working condition, so you don't have to worry about buildup over time. I found this dryer to be remarkably quiet during use. The noise-reducing design means you can dry your hair without disturbing the whole house, which is especially great if you're a morning person like me, or if you have little ones who need their sleep. Now, let's talk about the downsides. While it's lightweight, it's not the most compact dryer out there, which could make it less ideal for those who need something ultra-portable. But considering its performance, I think it strikes a good balance between power and portability. In terms of value for money, I'd say this dryer holds its own. It's not the cheapest on the market, but with features like the Ionic technology, customizable settings, and the self-cleaning function, it definitely provides good value. When you factor in the potential savings on hair treatments and frizz control products, this dryer could easily pay for itself in the long run. If you're someone who's used to more traditional hair dryers, you might find the price a bit steep, but the performance and features more than justify it. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are a few lower-priced models with similar features. However, none of them quite offer the same high-tech combination of ionic technology, fast drying, and low noise that this dryer does. So, would I recommend the 1600-watt Ionic Hair Dryer? Absolutely. If you're looking for a dryer that combines speed, precision, and hair protection, this one's definitely worth considering. Whether you have fine or thick hair, the variety of settings will allow you to tailor your drying experience to your exact needs. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Is this review helpful? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.